Sorry, there's someone on the floor now. Okay. So we're going to have a little like sing-along karaoke session. Are you ready? I want to just like really sing as loud as you can. And I think you will anyway. This song I've actually only really sung a handful of times. By the way, do you want to see something funny underneath this dress? I've got like toddler socks on that have got grips. We weren't sure if it was going to rain and I was going to fall over on my face down it. I haven't sung this song that many times for a few reasons really, but obviously I had my shows that I was supposed to be doing and they didn't happen. But we're announcing that very soon. I'm just waiting on one more demo of a piece of equipment. So this is my first time really singing it really in front of a big audience. And I will remember this forever. Because I remember sitting in COVID, obviously we were all there together, but I honestly never thought this would happen again. I just thought that this wasn't going to be something that we would all do together. So I'll give a prize to the best singer that I can hear out of all of you. And sing along with me. All right?